Em xin kính chào các thầy cô trong ERIC. Hôm nay em xin quay video chia sẻ cảm nhận về ERIC. Realize then Zeisen instead of trying to eliminate darkness, problem surpassing in light bulk and introducing light and using no easy by acting and easy and light is span that not alone đi xíu actively clear in light in waxing in learning in honey inner and what when and creating and practicing in planning the pro meeting re one nothing. Em xin hết rồi.